Hey, hello, and good morning. A new day, a busy day. We are going to visit two towns today. We're going to visit Setenil Las Bodegas, a town in rocks, and then a Smurf town. So all the villages here are white, and this is used for the movie Smurfs. And all the houses were painted in blue, and it's still blue. They kept it that way. So we're going to do that, but it's a long trip to there because it's all in the mountains. So we're going to take our car and hit the road. So we have arrived in Júzcar. It was a long drive because there's a road has been closed. I think they are renewing the road because the road through here is completely new. So again, all the mountain villages here in Spain, nearly here but in the south of Spain, are white, completely white for the heat. They used this town because it's so remoted. They used this town for the movie Smurfs, but all the residents of this town thought it was a very good idea to leave this blue and to make it more like a touristic center. So yeah, really cool. Look at this. It's not big, but you have to see that. So you see, tourism can be a very good thing even in Spain because there's a lot of discussion that they hate tourists, but here they embrace it and they make it touristic. So it's not all bad. Smurfenland zijn het allemaal. Hey, oh, Smurfenland. Van en aan. Ik ken de tekst niet. Kelly, kom mee naar Smurfenland.
Is wie welkom?
Welkom?
Ja, het is wel.
Hij is welkom in Smurfenland. Daar smurfen we allemaal. Smurfenland, Smurfenland. Dat smurfen, smurf. This is too funny. This is really too funny. It's like in a movie set that you walk in. We have bought churros. Are they good? Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes? It's not healthy. It's a little greasy, but churros are really nice. It was really cool to see. It's a long drive just for a small town, but it's cool. It's just cool to see. If you have kids or something, or you are kid at heart, like me, never a huge fan of the Smurfs because I'm a very small person. That's really funny. Sometimes people come to the salon that are following me. The first thing they say is like, "Oh, you're smaller than I thought." I'm a small person. That's a fact. I'm at home here. My friends call me Smurf.
Yeah, nickname.
My nickname, yeah, and I don't mind. It's just out of love they say it, not because they make fun of me. It's just, and I was a DJ for like 30 years ago. No, not 30. Yes, 30 years ago. Oh my god. 30 years ago, I was a DJ and I was DJ Smurf. It's fun to do. If you are here in the neighborhood, look at that. You have to see that. And now we're going to the small town into the rocks. It's really into caves. The houses are really in the rocks. So that's the next stop. So we have arrived in the town. That was a bump with the houses in the rocks, the church, and there is also the houses. So this town called Setenil de las Bodegas. It's not big. We will be quickly done, I think.
Yes, and then we can finally eat.
We can eat here something maybe, and then maybe stroll a little bit. Just do it the easy way, not the quick way.
Not the hard way.
The easy way. Well, what's easy? It's easy vacation. We are not doing anything quickly and quick. We have to go that and that and
Yes,
that.
it's a
It's
chill.
a chill vacation. So we have different tapas. So a mini hamburger and popcorn chicken.
Anytime. Enjoy, guys.
Swordfish, that's not a tapa. You have mini hamburger too. Yes. And chicken nuggets. And you have a full plate of chicken nuggets. Bon appetit. So this is my new tapa. Croquetas with meat. And again with the special fries. They are really good, the fries. The swordfish, but no fries. No fries with fish. Healthy. So if you go all the way down, you can see this bar in the caves. The food is not only great, they have tapas, they have big plates, but the main thing is he is so friendly, so polite. It's amazing. So if you come here, you will do me a favor and stop there. That is really, really nice. You have waiters that are not friendly, entirely not.
Yeah.
You have friendly waiters and you have him. Really, really cool. And he runs from one table to another, and it's warm here. It's really hot here, and he runs just to serve you faster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even
And-
Sato was trying to make a video and he was just running out of the picture.
Out of the picture. He's really, 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 really nice. Is really narrow. Oh, I will take my hat, otherwise it will blow away. Wow. good one. I'm going to sit here, enjoying the view of this amazing town. So everybody who is watching my videos, I get reactions of a little bit of history always in the video. So I owe you a little bit of history of this beautiful town in the rocks. In the 1st century after Christ, the Romans were already inhabiting this town, but it was gaining more popularity when the Christians took over of the Moors, the Arabic, in 1484. So a long history here, and I think we discussed it together. I think it was really difficult to find this town because it's so well hidden in the rocks. So if you are crossing over the land and you see a mountain, you don't see any town because the town is hidden in the rocks. So I guess it was well preserved and well hidden for invaders, but the Christians took over. But the Christians took over the Arabic all over the country. As I said in another vlog, a lot of Arabic influences, and you see that in many cities here. So that's a little piece of history of this beautiful town. I guess the maintenance to keep these houses good is high because, yeah, I guess humidity is really high here in the rocks. And I heard somebody saying that probably half of the houses are rented on Airbnb to sleep here. So I don't know if it's doable to buy something here for people, or do you want to live here, because it's really far away from any big city. So it's really in the town. So I guess if you're young, you want to get out in big cities. When you're older, you want to get some rest and peace. But here you don't find any rest and peace because of the tourism in the summer. But it's amazing. This is the entrance that we saw with the beautiful house there, with the square there. So we literally saw everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't miss anything.
Ah, ganhar a song.